All right, we've got 2024 mower drama. That's right, mower drama. That's the new model, LM2206sp. That is not really the previous model. It was the previous model, the LM2156sp. Now, if you remember, we had the 2167sp. Again, our channel, first to put it on YouTube. We're proud of that. Just like this, we're the first to put it up on YouTube. And so that went away because speed IQ, right? It was a nightmare for most people. It's discontinued. Well, mower drama. I am on my banana phone talking to a good friend, having a good conversation, you know, raising the volume, etc. I'm scrolling through social media while I'm having a conversation because that's what I do. I never pay attention to one thing. I see comments, people buying the 2206sp and saying it is so loud with self-propel that they returned it. Is that crazy or what? So I said to myself, let me put my banana phone down and pull out my sound meter, right? My noise meter, and do a real quick February 2024, still cold. Grass isn't ready yet, it's not growing, but how do I just compare the 2156sp and the 2206sp just to see, is it really that much noisier? Because I'm used to a certain sound, but these are not as loud as gas mowers. But someone said this is louder than a gas mower. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to do a test. Let's get started. Hi, it's Al from techmadeezy with a real quick message. I just want to let you know the video you're about to watch is not sponsored. We went out and bought the products ourselves. So, if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. It definitely helps. Share our video. And lastly, we hope you subscribe to our channel and become a part of the family. Thank you. All right. Now, let me say one thing too. If you are buying the 2206sp, or you are thinking about buying it, it has Bluetooth, and the app, the Ego app, is not updated yet. So you can't take advantage of all of the on-screen stuff that they say that you can do. So the Ego app's not updated yet. Once it's updated, then you can, and we'll show you that. But let's take the batteries, just put them in. All right. Okay. Take this bad boy, put it in. I'll tell you something too, look at the wheel difference, you know, definitely in the front, big wheel difference. But I'm going to start off with LM2156sp, and I'm going to have the noise meter, and then I'm going to have it where I'm at mowing. All right, so it's going to be near the handle. Now I'll do the same test with the new model, and let's see what we get. All right, I have these both on the highest deck height, so they're not going to be cutting grass. I've got touch drive on the first setting, and I'm going to do the same here. All right, first setting. I'm going to start with LM2156sp. I'm going to keep this here, and I'm going to hold my hand here as I mow. I'm going to start the motor. Okay, now we'll go ahead and do the new model. Let's start. Now I'm going to go on the fastest speed with both of these. Now I'm going to change this to the fastest speed and do the same. Camera's going to bounce, be aware. It's just me. I'll try to keep this straight so you see it. All right, I'm going to try to hold this way. It's still close, but so that the camera doesn't bounce as much. I'll leave it the same way. I don't want anyone complaining. All right, so I decided to do one more test. This has turbo, so we're going to put it on turbo in a medium setting and see if it really makes a difference on turbo. Let me start it. I think, there you go, it's on turbo. All right, guys, so I'm going to give you my conclusion and my thoughts, but before I do that, guys, you probably already know, but we went out and we purchased this on our own dime, so this is not a sponsored video. A lot of our ego videos are not, so we have to go out and buy our own equipment. So if you can give us a thumbs up, I'd appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel and you can subscribe, that'd be great. But let's start off with my opinion. Look, does it have a whiny sound? It does. But is it that much louder? I don't think so. You know, I'm looking forward to cutting with this, you know, because it's got the new deck and supposedly the blade is improved as well. I am looking forward to it. But, you know, what was on the internet, I don't know what that was. But I can tell you it's a little louder. It's got a little bit of a whine, but it's not ridiculous. It's not louder than a gas mower. It's just not. But that's my opinion, all right? So I just wanted to let you know that. And by the way, we'll put a link in the description if you want to get yourself a banana phone. Again, that helps support the channel at no additional cost to you. And again, take a moment, give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate that. Follow us on social media up top. We'll put our social media up top, and check out our Tesla channel when you get a chance, and subscribe. We're starting to do some videos there. And I'll put my Ego videos here on the right side of the screen. And I'll also put a round logo right there so you can subscribe to our channel at Tech Made Easy. Okay, guys? I sure hope to see you on the next one. Thanks so much, guys.